I'm Josh Zolan, the CEO of Windy City Equipment Service. I look at the world today and I feel terrible for your restaurants. COVID or not, this is a low-margin, high-stress industry full of smart, hard-working people. You got dealt a really bad hand. It's an industry that allowed me, my family, and my team the opportunity to succeed, performing a service that I never knew existed. Now is our chance to give back. That's why the leadership team here at WCE has unanimously decided to offer one free service per location to any restaurant in need, up to 2 hours excluding parts and material. For more information, click the link in the description or give us a call to learn more. No strings attached. On behalf of the entire WCE team, thank you for everything you've done for us the last 17 years. Now it's our turn.